Hello everyone, and then welcome to the continuation of our pattern library course. In this particular session, we are going to learn to find some URLs inside our text or document. So let's start with some simple exercise, okay? So first, we'll do some from pattern.web. I think it's already imported, okay? Since it's already imported here, in our previous lesson, we imported it here, okay? Okay, let's just copy it because we need to import the URL to function. So let's just paste it here. So from pattern.web import download, let's change it to find URLs. So import find underscore URLs. Okay, you can run it, no errors. Okay, so now let's print to bracket and then find underscore URLs, another bracket, and then quotes. Let's say I need search on let's say google.com. You can put a comma. You can decide to type anything. Let me see geig.org, or let's do a b c d dot net. So you can just put any, you can, let's try a hyperlink. So https colon forward slash slash forward slash www.me.com. Okay, so we can now run it. Let's set unique to true. The reason why we are setting unique to true is let's say if I repeat, okay, let me repeat this. Control C. I'm going to put it here. Okay, and then let me run. Let's run it and see. Okay, so we have HTTP. So we have this one. We have Google. So it has, you can see it didn't print this, but it printed of Google gig.org, abc.net, abc.net wasn't printed, abc.net wasn't printed. Okay, let's see something. Take the comma out. Let's run it. Okay, so it's printed. Okay, so I'm going to copy this same code, Control C, then I'll paste it here, and then I'm going to use unique. So let's put comma here, then we'll set our unique to true. So unique is actually going to, let's say if something repeats twice, it's going to just, or multiple times, it's going to print one of it. Okay, put this, take this comma out. Just, okay, so it printed the same thing, but basically what unique does is it would remove duplicated values out. Okay, so you can see we're able to mine some links out of our document. So now let's do that for our page here. Okay, so I'm going to paste this. Let's see. Okay, so let's do print bracket find underscore URLs. Okay, and then the bracket, remember we have this called page. Okay, so we copy our variable here. Okay, since we have everything done here, so I'm going to paste it here. This is what we want, so I'll paste it here, page. So whichever value you gave here, okay, variable you give here, that's what you use here. So we want to find the URLs inside this particular Wikipedia link or document. Okay, so we can let me say unique to true. Okay, so comma unique equals to true. Then let's run it. So you can see it has only fetched us was the URLs. Okay, so just links. So only links. Okay, just links as you see. Okay, so that should be it for our finding URLs. Okay, so thank you and then see you in the next lesson. Thank you.